Hi, my name is John Guerin. I am a technology innovation and integration teacher at a private school in South Florida. My capstone project is reduce lunchroom waste for the National Geographic Educator Certification Program. My mission as an educator is to develop a learner's desire to become better than they ever thought they could be by guiding them to become their own facilitators to learning, find answers to their own questions, and find solutions to the problems that they identify. For decades, National Geographic has explored the impact that the natural world and the human world have on each other. They also explore the scale impacts have on local, regional, and global levels. Another way to explore this impact is to look at the spatial, cultural, political, economic, historical, geological, and ecological perspectives as it relates to the interactions between the human world and the natural world. Another way to consider the scales and perspectives is to look at it through a theme. They have 6 themes: map it, care about the planet, connect with the community, plan an event, join a global collaborative project, and to get outside. For my capstone project, I chose the theme of care about the planet. Another consideration when working on a project or a lesson would be to consider the learning objectives or outcomes that you wish the students to have. National Geographic highlighted several, one starting with attitudes, change curiosity, responsibility, and empowerment. Another learning outcome are skills learned, observation skills, communication skills, collaboration skills, and problem solving skills. And of course, knowledge. Knowledge can be from the human journey, our changing planet, and wildlife and wild places. When you consider all these learning outcomes, National Geographic has created a learning framework that they refer to as the explorer's mindset. With my capstone of reducing lunchroom waste, I considered the following framework: attitudes, curiosity, responsibility, empowerment, and skills: observation, communication, collaboration, and problem solving. To start off the project, students learn about what they will be doing. With the help of National Geographic's resource library, they have a wealth of knowledge and information to be shared with students. They have videos, encyclopedia entries, websites, activities, and much more. Students spent a month weighing the garbage. I purchased a scale from Amazon, and they weighed each barrel, which we have 3 in the lunchroom and a recycle bin. They record their data on a spreadsheet that's been shared in the cloud. This way they all have access to it. Then they spent an entire month weighing the garbage, 3 pails and a recycle bin. 139 students over 4 weeks generated 855.3 pounds of garbage. The next phase was to analyze what was actually in the garbage. We have students who bought lunch, they have students who buy the lunch, and then they noticed that in the garbage were recycled materials, waste, and a lot of paper materials. The next phase of the project will be to start looking at the garbage and decide how can they reduce their garbage waste by recycling materials that should have been recycled, by limiting the waste of food that they did not eat, by also considering what types of materials are being thrown out. Are they biodegradable? Are they one-time use, etc.? It didn't take them long to realize that they generated a lot of garbage. Over the course of the project, you can tell what kind of learning is happening because they are being able to articulate and communicate their ideas. They also start to draw correlations between their practices and what happens in the world around them. You can also tell that learning is happening when students start to say things like, "The garbage from 1 week weighs more than I do." "I used to throw out my water bottle, but I'll recycle it from now on." And that's a lot of garbage. Thanks to National Geographic for making this educator certification course a possibility to enhance and enrich my teaching experiences.